Alright, so most of you probably figure out how to put music on there on your own. It's not that hard, but however, putting videos on isn't as easy as I would like. But I figured it out, and with me, if you follow this tutorial, you should be fine. Don't worry about it. Alright, welcome again to my tutorial about how to get videos onto your new MP3, MP4 player. Now this was pretty confusing. It took me a while to figure it out, but I finally got it, and I'm going to make it easy for you. The first step is you need to download some software that will allow you to convert pretty much any video to the .amv format. So just Google search AMV converter, and it should be the very first one up there. It'll take you to soft29.com. Okay, click on that, and now it'll give you a whole long list of about 4 or 5 different AMV converters you can use. And this one right here, the first one, I downloaded it, and it's really not that great. It's hard to use, it's confusing, and I guess it'd be better in the long run if, well, you were really interested and you were really into this AMV converting thing. But the one that I recommend is the second one down, this one right here, just because it's easy. And you want to go free download, and you want to save this to disk pretty much anywhere as long as you know where it is. So I already have it saved, so I'm going to go cancel, but you want to click OK. Now, once you have it downloaded, like I do here, and I've already extracted it into a folder right next to it. So I'm going to open up this folder, and run the setup. Now I'm not going to walk you through that because it's pretty obvious, because it tells you what to do. Now once you have it all set up and installed, I'm going to go down to Start. Where am I? Start. All Programs, and there's a folder called MP3 Player Utilities 4.0 or whatever version you seem to have. And the program you want is called AMV Converter Tool. Now this window will pop up. Now what you want to do is you want to select a file. I've selected Family Guy just because I like Family Guy. This right here, this Family Guy, and so I double click on that, and you can see it right there. It appears down at the bottom. If you want to double check the name, you can move this out, and it says yes, Family Guy 509, Brian Sings and Swings. So I want to leave it at that. And now the next thing you need to do is you need to click this button right here to make sure you know where it's going to end up once you're done converting it. Now mine's pretty easy. It's a folder on the desktop that says Super Output, and you don't need to know what that means, but it's just easy for me to find. And yeah, so click Begin and wait. The amount of time it takes to convert it depends on the speed of your computer and or what other programs you are running at the time. I recommend pretty much not running anything else if you have a very slow computer, or running the minimal if you have a relatively fast computer. So click Begin. Alright, as you can see, our video is, well, 99% done right now. Now I'll show you how to get it onto your iPod from here. And, well, once it's done, a small preview will come up. But you don't really need that. You just exit out. Now, what you want to do now is you want to go to the file folder that you specified. If you forgot which one it was, then you can just click on this and remember the path. Mine's easy because it's on the desktop. It's this folder right here. Now I'm looking for Family Guy, which is right here. I'm gonna right click. I mean, it's not right click, it's edit. I'm gonna have to edit, copy, and now you're gonna go into My Computer. It should be a removable disk. Now you see I have all these music and videos here, but yeah, now all you're gonna do is right click, paste. Now once again, depending on how fast your computer is, that'll determine how quickly it gets transferred onto your new device. And so remember, this was Family Guy, Brian Sings and Swings. Let's see if it works. Okay, disregard that. Don't need that. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to go down to your computer and unplug your iPod. Or your MP4 player, sorry. And unlike the Apple iPod, you can just unplug it straight from your computer. You don't need to do any fancy disconnections. Just physically disconnect it and that's good enough. Ah, there you go. Now, I want to go into videos. I want to navigate to Family Guy. Here it is. Click play. There you go. You now have a movie on your new MP4 player. Let's see if it's the right one. And there should be like a sheep or something running around the ground with its head chopped off, bleeding everywhere if I'm right. Remember seeing that in the preview. Oh yeah, see, there it is. This is the right one. I hope you use this tutorial well, because these devices are really good with putting videos on and watching videos. It's very high quality, and trust me, it's definitely worth this extra effort to convert it to watch these videos. I hope you have fun with your new device.